I'm gonna chop on their face right now, you know. I know this is a weed that give me a problem right now, brother. I'm rap weed now, rap properly, you know, brother. Yo, Squid, where you depend, brother?
Last night, my master crime, you know.
Yeah?
Man,
Brother.
fire take kills. Sweet!
Yeah? Brother, watch out. 28, me tired for beat it to blow that Squid in a boy face. Beat it, brother. You see it? Me lick boy in the face hot, brother.
Real, man.
Me lick boy face hot. My boy face on porridge.
So every time I squeeze this up on boy,
Yeah.
and I think God can save them. You see, told me, evil to watch out. God have to call me on my phone sometimes and say, yo, go easy sometimes.
And the virus are going, brother. No, go on, no. Man, it hot.
Oh, he is, man, he is. Not another again, man, I may kill it. COVID-20 this name.
Eh? Nah, tell you, brother. What the boy all pass me all sneeze on brother. Me all pelt him couple in the back.
If you chop him, man, no make your name come if you shot him, man.
Lick boy the cutlets, brother.
Yo, country youth.
This is easy for you.
Country youth. You ever hold a fire stick yet?
No, man.
You all listen and see how you feel.
Oh, boy, feel good, man. So,
Yo,
are you crazy?
Yo, give me this. See, I turn this for yourself. You're not an idiot, you. You know sense.
So that, yo, I don't want to use that, man. This is sweet for you. I mean, pelt boy in the back with this, brother. Pop! They go chung, chung, chung.
It's a big head cliff me about you know, cause right now I want to get me head high.
I'm not afraid of nobody come cross my way, you know. Yo, brother, if me say anything come my way, brother, me lick it up. If a bird pass me, chop it down. Yeah? I'm not afraid of people, brother.
You see? So like how you used to bad. You see anything you me dead, you may go left this way, yeah?
Yo, man, teach me if you was a machine there, brother. I look plain.
A few moments later.
Cho and Squid.
Yo, Squid. You know, you
Cho and Squid. All those people you have hurt, you're going to pay for
I
it.
know we go to church. We go to church.
Kneel down before me. Before I pass the
Forgive me that. Hey, nobody want bad. Oh, Lord. Forgive me that. You don't want baptized, Lord. Hey, no. Hey, Lord.